Disasters can happen anytime, anywhere in Washington, which is why you should always have supplies with you to help keep you safe in a disaster. The goal is to be 2 weeks ready by having 2 weeks worth of supplies at home. For other places where you spend time, you'll want to have a smaller kit there. But what about when you're at a park, a friend's house, riding public transit, or anywhere else that would seem a little ridiculous to carry an extra bag with you? Make a mini go bag. Remember, any supplies are better than nothing. For your mini go bag, just start with a small bag or container. This is just an old pencil case I found when cleaning out my closet. Then fill it with a few necessities: water, N95 mask, hand sanitizer, a little bit of cash, light source, food, hygiene items, a phone charger, and first aid items. Then include your mini go bag on all your adventures and wherever your day takes you.
I spend a lot of time on the coast, where tsunamis could keep me stranded for hours or even days. That's why my mini go kit also includes an emergency blanket, water purification tablets, and a Ziploc bag with copies of important IDs and documents, and my emergency contacts.
I live in Eastern Washington, where we have wildfires and may need to evacuate. In case I can't get to my vehicle gear kit, I always carry this little mini gear kit in my purse. It has just a few supplies to help keep me safe until I can reunite with my family in our designated meeting spot.
For more ideas on how to build a mini go kit, visit mill.wa.gov/kits.